My dear students, this video is regarding the list of formulas from mean to geometric mean. You will find separately individual series, discrete series and continuous series. In case of individual series, n is equal number of observations, and in case of discrete and continuous series, n is equal total of frequency. My dear students, individual series is known as ungrouped data. Grouped data means discrete and continuous series which is consisting of frequency. In this list of formulas you will find mean direct method, mean indirect method, mean step deviation method, median, Q1, Q3, mode, harmonic mean, geometric mean. Other than this, in unit number 1 there are the important formulas like combined mean x bar 1 to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 by n1 plus n2. Weighted mean x bar w is equal to sigma x w by sigma w. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Hope you are copying, my dear students. Mean direct method, individual series, x bar is equal to sigma x by n. Discrete, sigma fx by n. Continuous, x bar is equal to sigma fm by n. Indirect method or shortcut method, I am given the formula. I also mention how to calculate d. Step deviation method is only there in continuous series. Median formula I gave, size of n plus 1 by 2 item, and in case of continuous series L plus n by 2 minus C by F into C. Also giving the formula of Q1, Q3, and mode also I am giving, and now harmonic mean you will find here. Then geometric mean, logarithms and anti-logarithms. After that, combined mean, weighted mean, mode formula based on median and mean. We have to write all the formulas at one place so that you can prepare well. Make use of the video, my dear students. Please copy this. Please copy this. Take a screenshot and write, or you can use the pause button to copy. Yeah. Other than this, we also learn about deciles and percentiles. Decile means 10th place of the series. Percentile means 100th place of the series. Mean, I am given mean, direct method, indirect method, step deviation method. Median, Q1, Q3. Mode also given, harmonic mean, geometric mean. These are the topics you learn in unit number 3, my dear students. The heading of unit number 3 is measures of central tendencies. Means how you are calculating central values. That is said to be measures of central tendencies. Hope you copied, my dear students. Hope you have copied. Again, closely I want to show, which is very helpful to you to copy this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more and more updates and more classes in business statistics, together with important questions, practice problems, previous question paper solving and all. Yeah, my dear students, thank you. God bless you all. Hope you have used this video class. Have you copied? Measures of central tendencies. Other than this, there are some small topics like missing frequencies. Means sometimes they will miss one number in variable x or frequency. That we have to see. That is given in short answer questions. That is called as missing frequencies. That is also in unit number 3 only. in my coming video, I will explain how to find missing frequencies. Do like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, my dear students. Hope you are using this particular video for learning all the formulas in business statistics.